To prepare for the breathing in the 100, we will practice the breath with arm movements. Breathe out through the mouth on the exhale in a short staccato-type rhythm. Breathe in through the nose on the inhale in the same staccato style. Pump the arms up and down as though you are slapping water. This will help you promote a full breath pattern so you don't hold the breath. Now lie with your head and feet on the mat, knees bent and hip width apart. Your arms reach long by your sides, palms down, fingers stretching. Now engage your abdominals, lift your arms a few inches off the mat. Inhale to prepare and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And last time 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And finish with the arms down. Now we'll do the exercise with the knees bent and lifted into tabletop position with the head and shoulders lifted up into the C curve. Remember that if any time you feel strain in your neck, just bring your head back down to the mat. It's much better to do the exercise well in a modified version than to strain and lose your form. Lie with your head and feet on the mat with your knees bent and hip width. Reach your arms long by your sides, palms down, fingers stretching. Engage your abdominals and bring your knees toward your chest to tabletop position, shins parallel to the mat. Take a deep breath and feel the torso anchoring into the ground as you exhale. Keep the feeling of a heavy weight pressing the pelvis and shoulders down as you inhale to prepare and lift the head and upper spine into a C curve. And pumping the arms up and down, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And last time 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And finish by lowering your head and feet back down to the mat. Sit up tall with your knees together and bent, feet planted firmly on your mat. Curl your head and spine forward over your legs, reaching your arms long in front of you. Slide your shoulder blades down your back with the crown of the head reaching toward your fingers. Inhale to prepare. Exhale and scoop the abdominals. Roll the pelvis back away from the legs and open the front hips. Keeping the abs flat, inhale and roll back up to start position, staying in your C curve. Exhale, engage the abs and roll back. Inhale, initiate from the powerhouse to roll back up. And last time, exhale, pull your navel to the spine, scoop the abdominals and roll away from the legs. Inhale, maintain your core connection and roll forward and up to tall sit. Now lie down with your knees together and bent, feet firm on the mat. Arms are long by your sides. Squeeze your knees together. Inhale, pull your navel deep into the spine, and on the exhale, curl the spine up into C curve, stretching your arms forward. Inhale, keeping the abdominals scooped. Exhale and roll back, pressing each vertebra down into the mat and lowering the head and arms back down. If you need more support to come up, slide your hands under your thighs and keep the legs squeezing together. And then again, inhale, scoop your abdominals. Exhale, curl up and forward, reaching long through the arms. Inhale, pull your navel in, and exhale, roll the spine back down, releasing the head and arms. And last time, inhale deep into your core. Exhale, curl the spine up, one vertebra at a time, reaching through the fingers and the crown of the head. Take a breath in, and on the exhale, curl the spine back down to the mat. Sit tall at the front of your mat with your knees bent into your chest, hands placed under each thigh, elbows wide. Engage your abdominals. Bring your chin toward the chest in C curve. Inhale, pull the navel to the spine, roll back on your tailbone and lift the feet off the mat to balance. Maintain your strong core, deepen the curve, and then exhale to return to balance in tall sit with the feet lifted. And again, contract your abs. Inhale, chin to chest, navel to spine, and roll back to balance on your tailbone. On the exhale, roll forward and back up to tall sit, returning to balance with your feet off the mat. Now for the full roll back, keep your shoulders relaxed down away from the ears, toes gently pointing, and roll back only to the upper shoulders, never on the neck. Engage your abdominals to initiate the action. Inhale and roll back, sinking the navel deep into the spine. Exhale, pull the abs in as you rock back up to start position. Maintain your ball shape throughout the rolling movement. And again, sink the navel deep into the spine and roll back. Exhale, use your abdominals to roll back up. And last time, roll the spine back. Feel the spinal massage as each vertebra presses down into the mat. Roll back up to tall sit with the feet on the mat. Sit upright with your spine and pelvis in neutral position, your legs stretched out in front of you just wider than hip width. Bend your knees slightly so you can release the hamstrings and sit very tall. Let your hands rest comfortably between the legs. Inhale deep into the side and back ribs. Exhale, lengthen the back of the neck, bring your chin toward your chest, scoop your abdominals, and come into a C curve. Curl the spine forward toward the feet as you resist by pulling the navel deeply in and anchoring the hips. Inhale and roll back up to tall sit, imagining that there is a wall behind you. Relax the shoulders down as the crown of your head stretches upward. And again, inhale to prepare. Exhale, pull your navel into the spine as you stretch forward in C curve. Inhale, roll back up from your powerhouse with the head coming up last. Observe how the full breath helps to initiate the action of curling the spine. And last time, inhale, sitting even taller. Exhale, scoop the abdominals and curl forward. Inhale and uncurl the spine to lift and return to sitting upright against the imaginary wall behind you. Sit up with a tall spine and legs together, extended out in front of you. Keep your legs glued together and bend your knees slightly to release the backs of your thighs so you can keep your spine and pelvis in a neutral position. Press firmly through your heels, stretch your arms out to the side at shoulder height, and lift through the crown of the head. Relax the shoulders down the back. Inhale to prepare, pulling your navel deep into the spine. Exhale, and from the abdominals, twist to the right, maintaining the vertical axis of the spine. Inhale deeply and return to center. And notice how the rotation moves the spine like a spiral from the navel to the breastbone, not from the shoulders. And again, inhale, sit tall. Exhale, contract your abdominals and twist to the left, squeezing all the air out as you get taller. Inhale, return to center, keeping the shoulders pressing down. And inhale, lengthen the spine upward. Exhale, twist to the right, squeezing the buttocks and thighs together to stabilize your pelvis. Inhale, back to tall sit. Exhale, twist to the left, lifting tall out of your waist, chest high. Inhale, back to center. And last time. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, twist to your right, keeping your chest lifted. Inhale to center and exhale to your left. And then inhale deeply back to tall sit. Sit upright with your knees a little wider than hip width and slightly bent to maintain neutral spine. Flex the feet, pushing the heels away from you. Stretch the arms out to the sides, reaching strongly through the fingers. Inhale deeply and pull the navel up into the spine and twist to the right. Exhale, curl the head and chest toward the right leg, reaching the left arm toward the outside of the little toe, while the right arm reaches back. Inhale, roll the spine back up. Exhale and rotate back to center, arms reaching out to the sides. Inhale, engage your core and twist to the left. Exhale, scoop the abdominals and curl over the left leg as the right arm reaches toward the little toe and the left arm reaches back. Anchor both buttock bones firmly to the ground. Inhale, roll the spine back up, and exhaling, rotate the spine back to center with the arms reaching out. And again, inhale, lengthen the spine and twist right. Exhale, roll over the right leg, left arm reaching toward the little toe, right arm reaching back. Inhale, roll the spine up with shoulders relaxed. Exhale, rotate back to center. Inhale, sitting tall, twist left. Exhale, reach the right arm toward the little toe, hips grounded firmly. Inhale, lift up from your powerhouse. The head comes up last. Exhale, return to center. And last time. Inhale, twist right. Exhale, curl forward, left arm extends forward, right arm reaches back. Inhale, roll the spine up. Exhale, rotate the spine to center. Inhale, twist left. Exhale, curl the head and chest toward the left leg, right arm extends and left arm reaches back. Inhale, roll the spine up, and exhale, return to tall sit. Sitting tall with your feet flat on the mat and hip width apart, reach your arms long and parallel to the floor, relaxing the shoulders down. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, engage your abdominals and roll back, turning the torso to the right and bending the right elbow back. Inhale, and from the core, rotate the spine and lengthen back to tall sit, straightening the right arm forward. And exhale, roll back and twist to the left, bending the left elbow back. Inhale, rotate the spine and lift back to vertical, straightening the left elbow. Keep your hips anchored as the spine twists. And again, exhale, roll back and twist to the right with the right elbow bending. Inhale, return to tall sit with straight arms. Exhale, roll and twist to the left, left elbow bending. Inhale, sit tall, arms reaching out. And last time, exhale, roll back and twist right. Inhale to tall sit. Exhale, roll back and twist left. Inhale, sit tall, arms reaching long. Lie down with your knees bent, feet flat on the mat, hip width apart. Keep your arms long by your sides, palms down. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, squeeze the buttocks and lift the hips off the floor. Inhale and hold. Exhale, lower the spine and hips simultaneously back to the floor. Take care to keep the spine in neutral position so that the low back doesn't overarch. And again, inhale to prepare. Exhale, squeeze the buttocks, lift the pelvis off the mat in one movement. Inhale, exhale, and return the trunk to the floor in one piece. And last time, inhale to prepare. Exhale, squeeze the buttocks, lift the hips up in one movement. Inhale and hold. Exhale and place the spine and hips down on the floor, all in one move. Lie with your knees bent and ankles crossed. Arms long by your sides. Or if your back needs more support, place your hands under the buttocks, palms down. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, pull your navel into the spine, lift the pelvis off the mat and roll the spine up one vertebra at a time. Inhale, roll the spine and pelvis back down to the mat. Use your abdominals to roll smoothly and with control so you do not roll onto the neck. And again, inhale to prepare. Exhale, activate your core to lift the hips and spine up. Inhale, roll smoothly back down to the mat. And last time, inhale to prepare. Exhale, lift the spine up. Inhale, roll the spine and pelvis back to the mat. Now, wrap your arms around your knees, draw your knees into your chest, give a little squeeze. And then release the feet back to the mat.